What's up, YouTube? It's your boy JB. We don't save, we invest. Tomorrow and Thursday, guys, is getting ready for takeoff. We're going to talk about Airbnb, and we're going to talk about Enterprise Productions, ticker symbol EPD. We're going to look at some other stocks. It's going to be a good video, quick on us getting ready for the new year and the end of the month, and money to be made. So, like and subscribe to the channel. Leave a comment. Please watch the whole video. Share with your family and friends. I love y'all. Airbnb is coming out Thursday, guys. That'll be December 10th, and it's going to be a massive hit. Now, look, Airbnb has raised the price of its shares before its initial public offering, or IPO, this week, and could float with a valuation of as much as $42 billion. The share prices were going to be 44 to 50, guys, a share, but now we're going to go from 56 to 60. Now, guys, make sure when you buy in, don't buy your whole entire position, because a lot of IPOs, like people are waiting for this one, the share price is gonna skyrocket the first day, maybe even the second day, because of all the pent up momentum and the upward trend and all the good news coming up with these vaccines. So if you want to put in 1/4 of your position, or even half for you big timers, then you do that, right? And then after, you take some profits, and when it cools off, you buy more of your position. Now, I can see this share price on the initial day, on December 10th, it could push all the way up maybe to $75, guys. I'm saying maybe $70 per share. So from 56 to 70, and from 60 to 78. So if you put a couple G's in, you will get a good return on your investment. If you put $1,000 in, for people who have it, or if you have enough for 10 shares or 5 shares, it's going to be a good day. Now, they're going to issue a final share price tomorrow on December 11th, and it will be trading on the NASDAQ stock market, so the New York Stock Exchange, on Thursday. Their home-based share company raised up to $3.4 billion in the offering, with a valuation of $42 billion. I believe it was before $35 billion. That is more than double the company was valued at during the private fundraising round in the spring. Wow. This company is well worth it, guys. I mean, like I said, we know that there's key implications to this, such as the coronavirus vaccine, spring and summer. This is going to be massive in 22 and beyond. And we can't forget that it's cheaper than hotels. So there's a lot of perks. People haven't been in mansions before, and maybe with Airbnb, they have the opportunity. There's a lot of things that go on with this that have positive news and positive attributes with this IPO, with this company. So like I said, we're going to gradually build our position in here, and we're going to take some profits early and celebrate, go shopping for Christmas, use the stock market for early Christmas presents, right? Celebration, nice presents for the kids, the wife, the family. And then that's how we're going to do this. And for all you options traders, if you buy a call on the first day, right when the initial offering, you might make a lot of money in the first day, right? So the options traders, don't forget, you can be wise on this. And for you people who are going to put in, who sell a put, when those who are going to sell a put knows that eventually it'll cool off. So they put it, in the scope of where they do their math and due diligence. I'm not a financial advisor, and they can make some money on when the stock market cools off or de-escalates. So here's some news. Airbnb struggled in the immediate aftermath of the virus outbreak, which we know. It cut 1,900 jobs earlier this year because of COVID. Now, we know that that's because of COVID. So it's not like Airbnb is going out of business, or Airbnb is not executing their business plan, because that's not true. The problem is COVID. With the spread of the virus, I mean, how could Airbnb, that's more of a travel, more of a recreation, more of a tourist, more of a getting out and about around people type of company, they're not going to thrive. You know, it's just like the oil industry took a hit. Now, that's another video I'm going to come out with for you guys, because a lot of these stocks are taking a beat downs, just like the banking system. Now, we can make a lot of money, guys, long term with a lot of these plays, you know, for the ones that got beat up. The banking system, they're going to take off soon, you know, the oil industry. So let's not just focus on the travel. Now, Airbnb was launched in 2007, and this will be the first time going IPO on December 10th. It's going to be a good day. This is going to be huge. So make sure you guys buy some. We're gonna play this nice, and we're gonna hold mainly long term, meaning a year or more after we take profits in the beginning and celebrate. All right. Airbnb, guys. People who like to go to homes or cabins and cottages. Look at this, unique stays, pets welcome. This is going to be a massive IPO. People can experience the world, online experiences. Look at this, adventures. I mean, they got everything, guys. A lot of my friends are like, man, you got to try it, JB. I'm like, nah, I'm going to try it this year, you know. I'm going to try Airbnb out. You know, I have a lot of, you know, faith in this company, and I have a lot of, you know, hope that they're going to do well, and I believe they will do well. And as an investor in this company, that I will be, just like you guys, I'm going to, you know, I believe in this company, so I'm going to try out their business and utilize, you know, what they have. So this is amazing. Look at this. Just different cultures, ethnicities, different places, different countries, cities. I mean, they have everything for everybody, guys. Whether it's the mother natures of the world or if it's the luxurious of the world. I mean, they have everything, guys. The camping of the world. So this is going to be great for all of us to utilize Airbnb and also to be an investor. So it's actually a double win for all of us. So this is going to be good. Guys, this one is like the oil industry. It took a big whooping due to COVID. And now, these are reasons why Enterprise is going to be big, and it's a buy right now. It's also down a lot from its highs, so it has a lot of room to grow, and you can make a return on your investment. I mean, I can see it going to $30, so it's at currently like 20, 21, so you can make a great profit off of this, and it's relatively cheap. Very good company. The partnerships extensive pipeline network, which spreads across 50,000 miles. This company also deals with natural gas, liquids, oil, refined products, and petrochemical. The partnership storage infrastructures with significant capacity to store natural gas, petrochemicals, and refined products are connected to most of the key shale plays in America. Enterprise also is big with the gas and fractionators and associated properties. Now, growth projects to reward unit holders. Since the IPO in '98, the partnership has accomplished $38 billion of organic growth projects. They also have been paying a dividend, and I think for 21 years. Now, they want to keep paying their shareholders a dividend, and don't forget that at 25 years, they're considered an aristocrat dividend company. So as long as it's 25 years of steady increase of dividends, they're considered an aristocrat. So they want to get to that level. They also have more upside potential. Now, they took a hit because of COVID. And over the past 5 years, the stock has traded as high as 19.6x or as low as 12.29x. And Enterprise Production, you know, you guys go to Enterprise to rent vehicles. Don't forget, guys, all this stuff, they own a lot of stuff. Everything took a hit because of COVID. But as we get back to normalcy and as we steadily, gradually get back to where we came from pre-COVID, the stock is going to do well. And hopefully they pass a stimulus that'll also boost the economy. JP Morgan, I know, is encouraging the federal government to agree on a bill for the stimulus to help the economy boost up and help the economy start moving in the right direction. So there's a lot of things coming out, just good news, and we're just going to stay positive, guys. And eventually they will pass a stimulus bill, another one. It's been in talks for months now, and hopefully they'll agree on something and we come to a resolution. Now, if we look at Enterprise Production, it's currently sitting at $20.98. It went up 1.5 cents today. They have a support of $17.06 and a resistance of $28.73. So now, if we go off of that knowledge, and it's at $21, we know that it can potentially go up to $9 more roughly, which is, I mean, more than 30%, 40% profit, because about 45% profit of what is currently sitting at $21. Now, if we go back to September, it was at $17 and it went down in the 15s, and then a little small pop, sell off. And look, guys, it's been steadily, gradually going up. That's a good sign. I like this. This is a healthy chart. And don't forget, correction's always good. Pullback is good also. We need to see these for support and resistance lines. We need to see when there's pullbacks and where there's a steady points where the stock bounces off of, so we can get a feel of what's the support, what's holding the stock up at what price, and what's the resistance, where it keeps testing the highs. So that's good news for us. Now, if we look at, many analysts, they're bullish on the short, mid, and long term, which is very good. This stock is a buy. They have their hands in a lot of things, and I feel real comfortable and confident in this company. And people are, think about the Exxon Mobils of the world, which will do well, the Shells, but they're forgetting about Enterprise. I think this company right now is undervalued and has a lot of potential to make us a lot of money. Thank you for watching the YouTube video. Subscribe and hit the like button. Spread to your friends and family. I love y'all. It's JB. We don't save, we invest.